Hey guys, so today we are going to do a liner tutorial, the most requested tutorial ever. So liner can be in many forms: gel, pot, liquid, pencil, pen liners, powders, and there are different eye shapes as well. Full eyes, hooded eyes, slightly hooded eyes. I have slightly hooded eyes. But with liners, no matter how many tutorials you're gonna watch, you definitely need practice because practice makes you perfect. I'm going for a sharp wing liner. So for starters, this is your guideline. आपको पेन यहाँ पे अपनी नाक के पास रखना है और आई कॉर्नर के पास. This is how you can have an idea where you want to make a wing, or you can just apply a tape. Otherwise, you can follow how I apply my liner. So for beginners, if you want an easier look, you can go for pencil liners and smudge it on. But that won't be a sharp liner look. For sharp liner, either go for a pen liner or liquid liner. For starters, I would recommend pen liner, but I personally love using liquid liners the most, and these are my favorites. If your hands shake while applying the liner, so rest your elbow either on your hand or some table. Avoid pulling and tugging of your skin because when your skin will go back to normal, your liner might look droopy and sad. Try looking straight into your mirror and do not apply mascara before your liner. So I want to start from the outer corner. We'll make a wing first. We'll then apply it onto the inner side and follow the lash line and then connect it with the wing. Apply a thin liner and work in small sections. This will help you in case you want to correct and balance things later on. Make sure to fill in the gaps and tight line your waterline with the pencil. Now to balance the liner, honestly you need to practice it out. This is something I cannot teach you, but remember, both the liners are not twins. They are sisters. So be forgiving when it comes to balancing things out. Things can go up and down, but practice will eventually make you perfect. So this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it and it was informative for you. Take care, you guys. I love you. See you next time. Bye.